Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I thought I'd do a test on the Cobra Adder new 7-shot magazine. This is really just a test to see how well it performs, see if it jams and stuff like that. Not accuracy, nothing like that. I'm just going to shoot it 7 times and do that a couple of times, just see how well it performs, see if there's any issues with the magazine. I'm not even going to put the stock on. So yeah, let's get down to it and let's see whether it jams or not, or how well it shoots. Well, so far so good. Yeah, that shot lovely actually. Right, I'll reload it and go again. Okay. Right, that one needs the top doing it. The tip. You can get a speed load for this, but I don't have it. But I just wanted to show myself loading it up one at a time. I could have just loaded this up and then done the footage, but this way you'll see me actually load them up. Heads are slightly loose. Right. One of the bolts, this was probably my fault though, has fallen back slightly further than it should. I think that was loading error. So I'm just going to push that forward. What it was, one of the bolts had gone back further than where the string's going to go. But as I said, I think that was my loading error, user error rather than Crossbow. It still might have shot alright anyway. Right, shot fine. I'll load it up again this time, but not on camera, and I'm going to try and shoot as quick as I can. Right, I'll try and shoot as quick as I possibly can. I think it's sometimes actually quicker to cock it with the stock on. I don't know how quick that was, and I wasn't really aiming properly, but I was still hitting a target like my torso size. So yeah, works fine by the looks of it. That's, what's that, 21 shots in quick succession, shot through it, no issues at all, no sort of dry fire bounce out, bouncing over the string or anything like that. So yeah, I would recommend that new 7-shot magazine. It shoots a lot better than the original magazine that I had, put it that way. Yeah. No issues at all so far. Right, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video if you think people will be interested in it. Definitely subscribe. I do a lot of crossbow videos and a lot of other weapon related videos, alright? Cheers for watching everyone.